Did you know that poor liver function can compromise several vital functions of our body? This essential organ is responsible for over 300 vital functions for our body, including internal detoxification. In addition to filtering everything we consume daily, the liver regulates metabolism, stores important nutrients, and produces essential proteins for the blood. Through its continuous function, the liver maintains the body's balance and protects us from invisible threats to our health. The good news is that nature provides us with a powerful arsenal for healing. Fruits with purifying and restorative properties that we will show you today. These fruits can be great allies in revitalizing the liver, helping it regain its strength and effectiveness. In this video, we will reveal these miraculous fruits that we can find in our daily lives, and I will already hint that number 5 is the most important. We will discover how it acts in your body and why it can transform your liver health, restoring it to fullness and promoting its healing. Number 1. Lemon. When it comes to liver health, lemon, with its acidic and vibrant flavor, is much more than just a simple seasoning for waters and recipes of our daily lives. It is an important citrus fruit and a powerful ally for the liver, being rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that have the ability to combat colds. The true efficacy of lemon comes from its ability to stimulate the liver to produce more enzymes responsible for detoxification. These enzymes play a very important role in neutralizing toxins, preparing them for effective elimination from the body. Additionally, the abundance of vitamin C in lemon helps to strengthen the immune system, providing extra support in the fight against toxins. What makes lemon particularly remarkable is its alkalizing effect on the body. Although naturally acidic, it creates a more alkaline environment after being metabolized. This is crucial because a more alkaline body is less susceptible to diseases and reduces stress on the liver, which helps to decrease various illnesses. By adding lemon to your diet, you are not only supporting the proper functioning of the liver, but also promoting an internal environment conducive to health. Incorporating lemon into your diet is surprisingly simple and does not require major changes. Starting the day with a glass of warm water with lemon is a popular method here in the United States and effective for activating the digestive system and liver, providing a clean energy boost to start your day. You can also include lemon in salads, fish, or even in an afternoon tea to increase your daily intake of vitamin C and antioxidants with little effort. The effect of lemon on liver health demonstrates the power of nature to provide simple solutions for well-being that we should take advantage of. Its ability to purify and revitalize the liver, as well as improve overall disease resistance, makes lemon a superfruit that deserves a prominent place in our diet. By choosing to add lemon to your diet, you are not only promoting a healthier liver, but also making a conscious choice to adopt a more vibrant and energetic lifestyle that will give you more strength for your daily activities and workouts, almost like a pre-workout. Number 2. Orange. Among the fruits that support liver health, the orange stands out not only for its characteristic acidic taste, but also for its special properties that make it a powerful ally in cleansing and protecting the liver. This citrus fruit, available in common colors here in the United States, such as orange, red, and white, is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and other essential nutrients that are crucial for improving liver health. The orange is especially known for its high concentration of naringenin and naringin, two antioxidant flavonoids that offer notable benefits to the liver. These compounds help protect the liver against inflammation and damage, as well as promote more efficient breakdown of fats. Therefore, this fruit deserves special attention and can be incorporated into various recipes, especially juices. This process is important to prevent the accumulation of fat in the liver, a serious problem known as hepatic steatosis, which can impair liver function over time. Additionally, the orange stimulates the production of detoxifying enzymes in the liver, enhancing its ability to process and eliminate toxins present in the body. This detoxifying effect not only reduces the burden of toxins on the liver, but also supports cellular regeneration, keeping the liver in good shape and functioning properly. However, it is important to note that oranges can interact with certain medications, raising their concentration in the blood to potentially dangerous levels. Therefore, if you are taking prescribed medications, it is crucial to consult a doctor or nutritionist before adding oranges to your diet. Including oranges in your diet goes beyond simple liver care. It is a choice that reflects a commitment to a healthy lifestyle. Its positive effects on liver health, along with its benefits for metabolism and weight loss, make it a superfruit that deserves special attention. Number 3. Avocado. Avocado, known for its creamy texture and delicate yet intense flavor, is more than a versatile ingredient in contemporary cuisine. It is also an important ally for liver health. I will leave a video in the card where we talk more about avocado. After watching it, you can check out the other video. This fruit is rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and various nutrients that help protect and strengthen the liver. One of the most important aspects of avocado is its high concentration of glutathione, an essential antioxidant for the liver detoxification process. Glutathione plays an essential role in neutralizing toxins and preparing them for elimination, providing crucial protection to liver cells and promoting overall health. Additionally, avocado, with its monounsaturated fats, helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. This balance not only benefits the liver, but also keeps arteries unclogged and blood flow efficient and continuous. Moreover, avocado is a rich source of vitamins E and C, two powerful antioxidants that help protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals in our body. This protection is crucial to prevent inflammation and liver diseases such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which has become more prevalent due to diets high in saturated and processed fats, especially in the United States. Incorporating avocado into the diet is simple and versatile. It can be consumed raw in salads, turned into guacamole, added to smoothies, or even mixed with a supplement like creatine before a workout. Its adaptability makes it a valuable addition to any meal plan, especially for those seeking to optimize liver health. In addition to its direct benefits for the liver, avocado also offers advantages for overall health by providing fiber that supports digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. This combination of beneficial effects makes avocado a superfood essential for those seeking a healthy liver and a well-cared-for body or aiming to lose weight. By incorporating avocado regularly into your diet, you not only enjoy its delicious flavor, but also benefit from its profound health benefits, promoting a more robust liver and a healthier body. Number 4. Apples. More than just a simple snack or a special touch in desserts, the apple is a true health treasure in every crispy bite. This familiar fruit not only delights the palate, but also has incredible cleansing properties, especially for your liver. Packed with pectin, a soluble fiber essential for the elimination of toxins from the digestive tract, the apple proves to be a powerful ally in the fight against toxins that our liver faces daily, especially in high-calorie diets common in the United States. Pectin, as I mentioned, contributes to body detoxification by facilitating the elimination of toxins and also aids in liver health by reducing the amount of fat the organ needs to process. Additionally, apples, along with some supplements, especially creatine, help protect the liver from oxidative damage and inflammation. Including apples in the diet is a practical and efficient way to promote liver function, whether by consuming them fresh as a snack, adding them to salads for a crunchy touch, or incorporating them into various recipes. Besides the direct benefits for the liver, apples provide a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which not only nourish the body, but also support digestive health, aid in weight loss, and reduce the risk of several chronic diseases. Number 5. Beetroot. With its vibrant ruby color, beetroot is not only visually appealing, but also offers a wealth of nutrients beneficial for liver health. Although it is technically a root vegetable and not a fruit, its presence on this list is justified by its remarkable ability to support liver function and promote body detoxification. Beetroot is rich in antioxidants, such as betalains, which not only contribute to its distinct color, but also act as a powerful cleansing agent, aiding in the neutralization and elimination of toxins. Additionally, beetroot is an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for maintaining digestive health and promoting regular waste elimination, a crucial aspect of effective detoxification. Number 6. Blueberries and cranberries. Blueberries and cranberries, small but powerful, are true gems of nature when it comes to promoting body and liver health. Packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors, these fruits are champions in liver protection and fighting free radicals. The ability of blueberries and cranberries to improve liver health lies not only in their antioxidant richness, but also in their ability to combat infections and reduce inflammation. A special tip is to include them in your diet along with a supplement to further protect your liver. You can combine them with various supplements, but it is important to consult a nutritionist to tailor them to your diet.